Let's talk knife skills. So your thumb is on the steel on one side, your pointing finger, index finger on the other side, and there's 3 fingers loosely around the handle, making that blade an extension of your arm. You're gonna lift your blade, move it back, and drop it again. So it should feel like a locomotive. My left hand is like a claw, a spider. My thumb, my pinky are always behind my front 3 fingers. My nails are facing backwards. This is gonna give me more control. I'm actually gonna touch my middle knuckle all the time. This way you're gonna have control over the thickness. It also makes it safe. You can't cut yourself anymore. If you only want to buy one knife, start with a chef's knife. This knife is used like 85% of the time for all your prep work. You need a serrated blade for anything hard on the outside, soft on the inside. And finally, a paring knife. This one is actually for handheld work. Your ginger, your garlic, your turmeric. And there you have it, the 3 essential knives for your kitchen. Head to ZWILLING.com to learn more.